My name is David Maletta. I'm a partner at Colburn Hintze Maletta. We're going to talk about child custody. We're going to simplify it. With child custody in Arizona, we start with a presumption of 50-50 parenting time. People think that there's gender preferences. There are no gender preferences. You don't get any extra benefit because you birthed your child or anything like that. We start with that clean slate of 50-50 as far as the presumption goes. Now, can we overcome that presumption? Yes, we can. And how do we do so? With parental fitness issues. Let's talk about that. Parental fitness issues are things that make you an unfit parent. And if you're an unfit parent, you're not entitled to time with the child or to overcome that 50-50 parenting time. Domestic violence would be a parental fitness issue. You've committed domestic violence against the child, against your significant other. That makes you an unfit parent. You have violent propensity. Other things, alcohol abuse. Now, when I talk about legal things, I don't mean use, I mean abuse, because there's nothing wrong with drinking. It's abusing alcohol that becomes a problem. If you're abusing alcohol, you're not a fit parent. Now, that's what we're going to attack with. If you're the person that has the alcohol problem, then we're going to put you in treatment and do things like that to show that you no longer present a danger. Illegal drug use. That's a problem if you're using illegal drugs. Legal drug abuse. If they're legal drugs, that's fine. It's not use that's a problem with legal drugs. It's abuse that's a problem. Anything that endangers the child would also be a parental fitness issue. Remember, when we're talking about custody, we're talking about what's in the best interest of the child. That's what matters. What is in the best interest of the child? And obviously, if you're endangering a child, that is not in the best interest of the child. And it's important when we talk about time with the child. It's important because it relates to child support. Because child support is proportional to two things. One, time with the child. The more time you have with the child, the more child support you get. The less time you have with the child, the more child support you pay. Two is income. So it's proportional to time with the child and income. And if you have any additional questions about child custody, divorce, anything related to family law, give us a call at Colburn Hintze Maletta.